I'm staying at this really nice hostel in the middle of somewhere in Iceland. There's a hot tub outside, a sauna, and there's a view with all the volcanic mountains you can imagine. And I think there's a horse making out with a horse. Hello, Iceland.
I'm gonna take my time. I'm almost there. The beauty of the home stretch is almost too much to bear. It's just a few steps. I'm not even late. I'm gonna take my time. I can't wait.
In every gas stations, bus drivers and tour guides get food for free. We have here really nice pancakes, freshly made Icelandic pancakes.
Where's Pancakes' house?
What?
We stop at Pancakes' house.
What are you, nuts? We have pancakes for breakfast. Gotta go to a place where I can get a shot and a beer and steak, maybe. Not more fucking pancakes. Come on.
Right here we're in the Seljalandsfoss waterfall, which is in the southern region of Iceland. This amazing fall drops 60 meters to the ground here. That's like 197 feet. Visitors who come here can actually walk behind it and through a cave, which I'm gonna show you in a minute.
Y'all ready for this?
The force of the water when it's hitting you, it's crazy. I cannot describe you how beautiful it is to feel so alive being at the back of a waterfall.
Can we get serious now?
Okay, right behind me here is the Seljalandsfoss waterfall, and I'm just behind it. It's awesome, it's great. You get really wet. It's very tempting to jump in, but I don't have my swimsuit today, so maybe next time. This is Sharif coming to you from Seljalandsfoss in Iceland. Try drinking now from this water.
That's how you say the double L.
Here at the secret lagoon in Fludir, southwest Iceland. I'm gonna try it now and see how it feels.
Take my time. It's seconds now or days. The pieces of the puzzle are all just falling into place. This is for me to enjoy, like an amazing workout.
There's no such thing as standard, ordinary, or expected. Not when you're always looking for a new perspective. There's only different. Different makes life worth living. Different brings us joy and constantly captures and recaptures our attention. Different tastes better, turns rides into adventures, and introduces you to new friends. Anything can have a different twist to it. Take a different way home. Try a different language. Wake up in a different place. Just keep an eye out for the unexpected. You may even discover something new about yourself.
It's awesome. The water is so natural, it's so warm, it's so hot. You cannot swim because you get sweaty. But the feeling from the cold to the heat of the water is just amazing. The temperature in these hot springs are 100 degrees. So if you jump in, you die. behind me here is water coming from a volcanic mountain. This water here is about 100 degrees Celsius. So you jump, you die. The smoke coming from the water is, you can feel the heat hitting your back. I'm lost for words. I don't know how to describe the feeling of being so close to Earth, the hidden secrets of everything.
From Stitcher and Dubner Productions, this is Freakonomics Radio, the podcast that explores the hidden side of everything. Here's your host, Stephen Dubner.
The geology of this area, the bedrock of Fluder is 1.5 to 2 million years old. And it's part of the origin. Right? Sorry, I can never say that. The bedrock of Fluder and Hevara Volmi to 5. Icelandic.
It's time well spent.